This is David at Grow and Eat This. Here's a quickie on the Amaranth. I'll put the variety up on the description. I don't remember what it was at the moment. It came from Baker Creek. And never have we had them this. Look at this. Ooh, it's a weird feeling too. We've grown these before, but never anything looked like this. I can't even come close to reaching the top of that one. It's got to be 10 feet. The bug damage is incredible, but it doesn't seem to bother the plant any. We've been growing it just because it's beautiful. Have no idea what to do, you know, if it's enough to actually harvest any amaranth seed from or whatever, so we'll see what happens. Here's you a quickie on some amaranth. This is David, northeast of Atlanta, zone 7-8, depending on who you talk to. Middle of August. Thank you for watching.